Hey everyone, I hope that your summer is going well, but I also hope that you're really excited for our class, AI as a Research Partner. Now we're going to get started on June 30, 2025, but before we do that, there's one really important thing that you're going to need to do. You need to get a pro version of Gemini, and Gemini is like Google's ChatGPT, right? It's the AI services that Google is going to offer you. Now the good news is, you as a student can actually get a free subscription to Gemini Pro for 1 year. So if you actually go to this website that I'm linking, you can see that college students get a free upgrade of Gemini through finals 2026. This is awesome. But in order for you to do this, there's like 3 things you have to be aware of. First thing, you have to do this process by June 30, 2025. So the first day of class. Preferably you'd get this done before the first day of class, but just make sure you understand that if you don't do this by June 30th, you're not going to have a free version of Gemini Pro. I pay for Gemini Pro and it's like $20 a month, so this is a pretty good deal for you. Okay, so be aware of the date. The second thing you're going to need is a valid Westchester email account, so just make sure you know your WCU address. And the last thing you're going to need is a personal Google account. So if you already have like a Gmail account, that's perfect. If you don't, you can actually go to google.com and sign up for a free account. And the reason why you're going to need to do this is we're going to activate Gemini Pro on a personal account, but it needs to talk to your edu address at your Westchester email in order to activate the Pro version. So once you have all of those things ready, you can actually go here and click Get Offer. And what you'll see here is it's usually going to be $20 a month, but it will be free for you through June 2026. So for a whole year, you get to play with all of these pro tools, which are going to be super, super amazing. So if you are a student, you can click on this button down here. Once you get here, you can click Verify Student Status. And here, if you're not already logged on into your Gmail address, here's my personal Gmail address that I made for this account. And so here, you just put your email address from Westchester, and then we'll click Verify. And so all this is going to do, just kind of like two-factor authentication, is this is going to send you a verification code to your email address. So let me go look that up on my cell phone right now. Once you get the email, you have about 15 minutes to put this code in, so just don't wait too long. But put in your code, hit submit. And hey, you are eligible for a Google AI Pro student discount. Continue to subscribe with student discount. So we'll continue on. And so here you will actually need to put a payment method into your Google account. Please keep in mind that you won't be charged until the date that it says here, right? They just need a credit card on file. And so make sure that if you don't want to be charged at all, that $20 a month, go to your calendar, write down this date, make sure that you cancel well before this. So once you put your credit card information there and you click Start Trial, that's it. You have 1 whole year of all of the pro Google tools, and this will get you 2 terabytes of Google storage. This will get you access to the most recent models and the most powerful models of Gemini, their chatbot. It's going to get you a lot more capabilities in a product that they have, Notebook LM, which we're going to use a lot in this class. And it'll also give you access to something called Deep Research, which is Google's way of using a chatbot to try to do research for you. So we're going to learn how to do all of this in the class. But again, if you want to take full advantage of what we're doing this summer, definitely do this before June 30. Sign up, get a pro account, and then once you have that, we'll start on Monday with all of the information. All right, I have a lot more to prepare for this class, but I will see you in a couple days.